Yeah, Jamaica. I love my country so much, but my security of my country, Jamaica. I mean, you have the good police and you have the bad police, right? And I have a lot of police friends who are just genuine police officer who are working them back off to make this country safe for all of you and me. But you have some officer out there just like the crab in a barrel, tearing down good officers, giving them bad name. Man, I meet a few of them out there, very bad officer, right? And no assistant, they don't care, they turn them back against you, and they don't even know what they stand for when they swear in to protect and serve. I am so confused about these crab in a barrel police officer in Jamaica.